In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete audience in Mailchimp. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting is permanent. If there's any chance you'll need this data later, consider exporting or backing it up first. Once you permanently delete, it cannot be undone and the contacts cannot be brought back. Start by opening Mailchimp and signing in to your account. Make sure you're using a profile with the right permissions to manage audiences. Once you're in, look for the audience area in the main navigation. Click Audience to open the place where your contacts and lists are managed. If you work with multiple audiences, confirm you're viewing the correct one so you don't remove data from the wrong place. On the Audience page, you'll see your contacts listed. Locate the entry you intend to remove and mark its checkbox. This selection tells Mailchimp exactly which record or set of records you want to act on. Take a moment to double-check what's selected. This is a good time to confirm the total number of contacts in your selection matches what you intend to delete. With your selection made, find the menu represented by 3 dots, often labeled as More Actions. Click that menu to reveal the options available for the selected item. From the list of actions, choose Delete. This is different from archiving. Archiving hides contacts but retains them in a non-marketable state, while Delete removes them. If your goal is a complete and irreversible removal, continue with Delete. You'll now be guided to a confirmation screen that helps ensure the deletion is intentional and compliant. Scroll to the section labeled Permanently Delete for compliance reasons. This area is designed to help you meet privacy requirements, such as requests under regulations like GDPR or CCPA. Choosing this path makes it clear that you're removing the data because someone asked you to, or because your policies require it. Select the option that states they asked me to, and I must comply with privacy laws like GDPR/CCPA. This acknowledges the reason for deletion and helps Mailchimp handle the data removal accordingly. After selecting that reason, click Continue to Delete. Mailchimp will provide one more safeguard to make sure you understand the consequences. Next, mark the box that says I understand these contacts can never be re-imported again. This is a critical confirmation. Permanently deleting means you cannot restore or re-add the same contacts from a backup inside Mailchimp later. If you ever needed to add them back, you would have to collect fresh permission and re-import them as brand new contacts outside of any historical reporting. To finalize, you'll be asked to type permanently delete exactly as shown. Enter it carefully in all caps. This step exists to prevent accidental removals and to make sure the action is completely intentional. After you type the phrase, click the button labeled Permanently Delete to complete the process. At this point, Mailchimp will process the removal. For larger selections, it can take a little time. Once finished, the contacts will be gone from your audience, and their data will be removed in line with the compliance path you selected. If you use automations, segments, or tags that reference the deleted records, expect those counts to change. Reports that previously included these contacts may also reflect updated totals over time. A quick recap of what we did. Opened Mailchimp, went to Audience, selected the item to remove, used the 3-dot menu to choose Delete, moved to the Permanently Delete for compliance reasons section, confirmed the legal basis, continued, acknowledged the permanence, typed the confirmation phrase, and clicked Permanently Delete. That's all there is to it. Work carefully, review your selection, and only delete when you're sure.